Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a Gmail button to Google Chrome. It's a super handy way to get instant access to your inbox without typing the URL or digging through bookmarks. Let's walk through it step by step. First, make sure you've got Gmail open inside Chrome, and if you haven't already, sign in with your account. This ensures you're bookmarking the right inbox, especially if you use multiple accounts. Now, look up at the top of the browser over on the right side of the address bar. You'll see a little star icon. That's the button for creating bookmarks. Click the star and a small menu pops up. Here you can name your bookmark. Just keep it simple, like Gmail. Once you're happy, hit save. Alright, the bookmark is saved. Now, to make it easy to reach, open a new tab by clicking the plus sign next to your current one. Then, in the top right corner, click the three-dot menu. In this menu, hover over bookmarks. You'll see a list of all the ones you've saved, including the Gmail bookmark we just created. Go ahead and click it. Boom! Straight into your inbox. And that's it. You now have a Gmail button in Chrome. A single click and you're in your email. Super convenient for busy days when every second counts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick digital hacks. See you next time.